Here is how to fix the issue if your Epic Games launcher is not opening. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Epic Games launcher not opening issue. So let's start. The first thing that you need to do is go to the taskbar and right click on it. After that, open Task Manager. Now inside Task Manager, locate Epic Games launcher. Then after, right click on it and click on In Task. If you are still having problem after that, then what you can do is press the Windows plus R key and then type %local app data% and click on OK or press Enter. Then after, locate Epic Games launcher folder and open it. After that, go to Saved. You will find this web cache folder. Delete the folder and try opening the launcher once again. It should fix the issue. However, if you are still having problem, then the last thing that you can do is uninstall Epic Games launcher and then reinstall it. So simply go to Remove Programs in the search box. Then after, look for Epic Games and then uninstall the launcher by going to the three dots on the right hand side. Then after, go to the official website of Epic Games and download the latest version. Finally, install the launcher once again. By doing these processes, you should be able to fix the problem if your Epic Games launcher is not opening. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.